salmon. Now, notice how I changed my cutting board, okay? Now, when you are working with vegetables, you want to make sure you do not cross-contaminate with meat. So when you are working with your fruits and vegetables, you should have a different color cutting board, okay? For example, I'm working with fish today, okay? I have a red cutting board. Why? Because you do not ever want to cross-contaminate, okay? Veggies and fruits have their own boards. Meats and fish have their own boards. Very good, okay? Now, salmon, an amazing, amazing, amazing fish. Number one, salmon is loaded with vitamin B, vitamin B12 to be more specific. B12 gives us a lot of energy. Salmon is also good for the health of our brain because it has this amazing fat called omega-3 fatty acids. That's the good fat, okay? Saumon, ça sont bon poisson. Premièrement, ok, li gen yon vitamine qui est vitamine B12 qui ba nou pile énergie. Et puis tout saumon, li très bon pour santé cerveau nous parce que li gen yon bon graisse qui est oméga 3. Donc, pour recette ça, ma pal couper li en petits morceaux. For this recipe, I'm going to cut it up in tiny little pieces, okay? Very, very simple. Just like that. Very good. Okay, I buy my fresh fish from an Asian market down in Virginia Beach called Grand Market. This is where I get my red snapper, my crab meat, and all the Caribbean things that I so love. Okay, all right. Tiny little pieces. What about you? Do you have a favorite fish? Growing up Haitian, I grew up eating red snapper and then, of course, salted cod, nouille samoui, okay? And then when I came to America, I fell in love with a variety of different fish. Of course, we also had herring, which is something we also use when we make things like legume. I'm sorry, not legume, when we make polenta, which is my moulin, okay? All right, so our salmon is nice and done, okay, nice and cut, and let's get this recipe started.